guys, so I got the boat taped off for all the black stuff. See here, you guys dirty? So this is what she's looking like. I'm gonna spray all this black. I'm gonna throw this on top, on both sides, just make sure no more overspray goes where it doesn't need to. Got the front taped off. I'm gonna be painting the bottom there black and this side black, and the same for the other side. So the plan now is I'm gonna clean it up, tack her off, and spray 3 coats of single stage black. So let's do it. We're ready for the second coat. All right, we're ready for our third and final coat. I gotta mix up a little bit more paint. After I do that, we're gonna spray her down for our last coat. I'm not gonna mix up too much, just maybe, just take it up to 3, I guess. No, too much. Too much. There we go, guys. Third and final coat, looking good. I still managed to get some overspray on here, so I'm gonna have to sand that down. I think I'm gonna let this single stage dry for at least another 12 hours. So I'm not gonna be able to paint my base coat and clear coat till tomorrow. So I'm gonna clean the gun, clean up my work area, and I'll see you guys in 12 hours.